Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here with another unboxing for you guys today. In this sneaker unboxing, we actually have two shoes that I want to show you guys today. Both of them are Nikes, and I honestly feel like one of them is probably like my favorite pickup so far of this year. We're going to be unboxing those today, but I want to let you guys know before we get into that video that this is the last day to enter the Dream Shoe giveaway. So whatever shoe you want up to $500, I'm giving that away to you, man. You get to pick the shoe, you get to choose exactly what you want. It's your dream shoe. It's really easy to enter, man. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at Untied Hawaii, and then also go to a previous video that we did, this video up here, and comment your dream shoe, your sneaker size, and your IG handle. The reason why I have to go to that other video is because when we randomly pick a name, it's going to be from the comments of that video. So all the other videos you commented on that wasn't that video, it's not going to count. So go to that video because everything will be pulled from there. Good luck to everybody, and don't forget to put on your YouTube notification so you guys know when the winner is announced. It will be loaded onto the community tab of YouTube, so check over there and have notifications on because you just might be the winner. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing, guys. Two shoes today that I want to show you guys. One is actually not in a box though, so sorry, there's no unboxing ASMR today for that one. It's already right here. The shoe that we have is actually this one right here. This is the Jordan 3 that just recently came out, and let's take a look exactly at what shoe it is. You guys probably already know, man, but this right here is the Jordan 3 UNCs, or I think they call it like the Valor Blues or something, to not like use the UNC name, something like that weird. This shoe is something I've been excited for since I saw the preview, and seeing it in hand, this thing is beautiful, man. It's beautiful. The Jordan 3 always goes hard, definitely one of the best design models of all time, but this shoe just feels so darn like clean and classic that it looks very, very sleek. Shout out to the homie Jordan. Jordan actually picked this one up for me like locally in Hawaii because I missed out on it on sneakers, dude. I told you guys on the Sneakers Buyer's Guide that this shoe was going to be a lot harder to get than people thought. And from the looks of it, it definitely was. Like a lot of Foot Lockers and stuff didn't get like a lot of like supply in. Online, it sold out like instantly. People were thinking this is going to be a brick or an easy cop. That wasn't the case, man. That's why you guys gotta watch those Buyer's Guide because there's some good information on there. If you guys don't have your own pair yet, I would highly recommend you guys pick it up now because I do feel like these will explode in value over time. If you guys didn't know, this one looks very, very close to the original Jordan 3 UNC, the PE version, the player exclusive that was only given to like UNC basketball players. It looks very close to that. And that shoe is going for thousands and thousands of dollars. And I think if you can't afford that, this is the next best option. And I think more people will get like behind this shoe because they will never be able to touch that grail. So get it while you can now. I do think these are going to explode in value over time. If you're a UNC fan, you gotta have it. And now we can get into the other shoe. This one is actually an unboxing, so get ready for that sweet, sweet ASMR unboxing noises. Oof, interesting. This is the Jordan 1 High Zoom Racer Blue, I believe it's called. And this is honestly, it's better than I thought it was going to be, but it's still not that great. A lot of people are hyping this up to be like the poor man's Dior Jordan 1s. I mean, it kind of has that color scheme, but no, the quality and stuff on this is not that great. It looks okay. I mean, it definitely looks kind of plasticky with the Jordan 1 High Zoom look. The leather over here is nothing to write home about, nothing too crazy. Bottoms are those clear bottoms, which I really don't like as well because these things get dirty very, very fast. But overall, it's a lot better than I thought it was going to be. A lot of people are getting behind this model. There's actually decent resale on this right now, but over time I could see it gaining more value because people are actually very hyped over it, which I'm surprised they were. Definitely a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Not bad Jordan brand. March was definitely a great month for sneaker pickups, and I'm happy that I got two of like the biggest drops of the month because I honestly don't know if we're going to be getting any shoes anytime soon. Like with all of the stuff that's going on, like the world and stuff, you know, Nike kind of like tanking right now. Production is probably going to be like halted because factories and stuff aren't really working at their full capacity. You really just don't know what's going to happen. And so drops that we thought were going to happen in April or May may be pushed back. It may be even discontinued for now. So we're not sure. So that's why it's important to like stay up to date with like sneaker news. Also to make sure you guys watch like the Buyer's Guide episodes and stuff, which should be dropping, I believe, next week. So if you guys are interested in like the drops for April, have notifications on because we're going to be talking about resale, what's dropping, and if it actually is dropping still with all of this stuff going on in the world. So stay tuned for that. Again, good luck in the giveaway, guys. And today, I want to let you guys know that we're going to continue to give away shoes until this coronavirus stuff is done on a monthly basis. I want to try to give back to the people that like support this channel and support me and make this channel possible. And during this time of crisis, I want to show that we are still Ohana, we are Untied Ohana, we are family, and I'm going to do giveaways for you guys every month until this kind of settles down. So that's my pledge to you guys. You guys will see a giveaway every single month as long as you guys stay tuned. Until next time though, guys, stay humble, stay safe, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!